Welcome back to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a tofu stir fried meal prep. Very fast, very easy to make, low in carbs, and will definitely help you to burn some body fat. So let's go ahead and start with the ingredients. So the first thing we have is some tofu. All right, this is extra firm tofu, extremely high in protein, and I have it in this bag because I have it soaking in liquid aminos. Okay, so all that is getting into the tofu, so it's nice and marinated. Okay, next is garlic. So we have some chopped up garlic right here, and next thing we have is our California blend of vegetables. It's mixed with broccoli, cauliflower, and also carrots. Now, the one things I like to point out when it comes to these vegetables, there's a lot of different color. So with the orange, for example, it has a bit of carotene in it, which helps with eye health, prevent skin damage, and convert to vitamin A to help with the immune system. Next is our great source of vitamin C, which is our bell peppers. Okay. Next thing we have is our tomatoes. Now, things about with red vegetables or fruits, you could say, because tomato is a fruit. Red vegetables has something called lycopene, which helps with heart health. We also have some purple onions. Now, the reason I picked purple is because it works best when you eat it raw, and purple onions has anthocyanin, which helps protect your cells from radical damage and lifestyle diseases. Then we have some lemon, avocado. We all love avocado, great healthy fat. And then we have some kale, which is a great superfood, and it helps with protecting the bones, filled with vitamin K and B vitamins. And then we have some black pepper and also some sea salt. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our non-stick pan. Go ahead and put this on the side and place it on medium-high heat. And then we're going to go ahead and take our vegetables and steam them. All right, so we already have this ready to go. We're going to put that in here and place it on top. Okay, and this is all this is a rice cooker. All right, so with this rice cooker, I have the steamer attachment. So all you do is just put some hot water inside the pan. I use purified hot water since we're using the steam. You do not want to use tap, because tap is chemical. It has chemicals in it. It has fluoride and also chloride inside the water. So if you're steaming your vegetables, you don't want all those toxins to be going and penetrating the food. So definitely use some purified water when you're steaming your vegetables. Very, very important. Now, while that is steaming, we're going to go ahead and start with our salad. Okay, now what I'm doing here is making a kale salad or a kale avocado salad with some vegetables on top. You can always watch the video if you want to just learn about the avocado kale salad. I have another video, another meal prep video that just shows that recipe, so definitely check that out. But we're going to go ahead and make it right now. So with the kale, what you want to do is go ahead, take the kale and the avocado and place it into a big mixing bowl like this. And you want to go ahead and take your hands, make sure you wash your hands before you start doing this, but you want to go ahead and mix it together. Okay, and what I did, a little secret, is when it comes to the kale, you want to take out some of the stems, like really big thick stems in there while you're mixing, because the stems are fibrous, so it is good. But at the same time, when it comes to presentation and when you're eating, it does get stuck to your teeth and it makes it a little bit more difficult to consume. So to have that nice presentation and that soft texture salad, make sure you take out as much stems as possible and just focus on just the leaves. Okay, so as you can see, it's already blending together, and with the avocado, it's definitely breaking it down so it can become a lot softer. All right. And every time I see like a big thick stem, I'll just pull it off and put it to the side, just like that. All right, and then what we're going to do is go ahead, put our lemon, our salt and pepper into a bowl as well. So let me just wash my hands real quick. So we're going to get a lemon squeezer, just like that. Some pepper, just a couple sprinkles, and then we're going to grind some sea salt in there. So that. Take your hands, go ahead and mix it again. It's a light mix. All right, and that's it. Now, we have the kale done, so the next thing we're going to do a light spray. You can use coconut or olive. I would definitely use some olive oil. I just grabbed the first thing that was available, to tell you the truth. And we're going to go ahead and stir fry our tofu. Now, when it comes to the marination, make sure that you let it marinate for about like 2 or 5 minutes, okay? So all the liquid aminos can penetrate and go inside the tofu. And then just going to go ahead and place it on top. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and put this on like medium heat so it doesn't burn too fast, and just put that onto the side. All right, let's check out our steamed vegetables. It's almost ready. Give it 1 more minute. So while everything's cooking, we're going to go ahead and build our plate. All right. Go back to the tofu. What I did was added some garlic to it. We're just gonna flip everything like that. All right, y'all. So the tofu's done. So let's check it out. So look at that. Looks nice and roasted and stir fried. So now we're going to just go ahead and place this onto our plate. Alright y'all, so it is done. Our tofu stir fry meal prep is ready to go. So as you can see, we got our tofu. Our dish looks very beautiful. Okay, we have all the colors of the rainbow. And this is something I always talk about. You want to eat the rainbow because you're going to get a lot of different types of vitamins and minerals when you do. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it out. Let's first start off with the tofu. All right. This is really good, and taking the time to marinate the tofu is really going to give it a plus. Now let's try some of the vegetables. Salad, vegetables, everything on this plate, highly delicious. But with that said, my name is Corinne Sutton. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, comment down below, even tag your friends. Like I said, this is a great meal prep hack to do if you're trying to build some muscle or even lose some body fat and trying to keep those carbs nice and low. And you're going to get tons of fiber and vitamins and minerals from this dish. But with that said, my name is Corinne Sutton. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.